Hate is not the way to go. Hate carves cracks in the soul, it builds walls that suffocate and blinds the eyes to light. Every harsh word is a stone laid heavy on the chest. Every bitter thought, a chain dragging hope into the dust. But the heart is made for more. It was never meant to rot in rage. It beats for connection. It longs for peace and repair. When anger rises like fire, you can choose to quench its flame. With the waters of compassion cooling the heat with care, forgiveness is not surrender. It is freedom opening wide. It lifts the burden from your back. It clears the path ahead. Change begins in silence. A breath, a pause, a turning, a gentle shift toward kindness, a step that grows into many. Love plants seeds in the barren ground, and from those seeds rise flowers where thorns once tore the skin, now blossoms soften every wound. The choice is yours to carry. The weight of hate or light of love, in every moment whisper softly, hate is not the way to go. So you breathe and feel the shift from clenched fist to open hand, from heavy shadow to soft dawn, from resentment to release. Hatred fades when love is chosen, even in the smallest act, a word, a glance, a kindness can turn the tide within. The old pattern slowly loosens. The mind rewrites the story told, no longer chained by fury. You walk lighter in your soul. Change is not a thunderclap. It's a steady rain on thirsty earth, one drop, and then another follows, until the ground is green again. And as you walk this newer path, each step affirms the truth you know, that hate can never heal the wound, but love will always grow. So let your breath remind you that peace begins inside, and every act of gentleness transforms the world outside. You are the proof of healing, the living sign of change. And through your quiet choices, a brighter world is made. Love does not erase the past, but it paints the future clear. It turns the page with steady hands and writes the story new. In every beating moment, the chance is given whole to choose the light of kindness and free the waiting soul. Be nice, be kind, and be the greatest expression of you.